What's up, Pickle Peeps? All right, question of the day. Do you have a Memorial Day sales plan? It's coming. I believe we're under 10 days or around 10 days away from Memorial Day right now. So that is the next biggie. Now, May is a fun one. We come in with a bang and we exit with a bang in May for holidays. We started with, the whole May the 4th, Cinco de Mayo, Revenge of the 6th, all of that. And then over the weekend, we had Mother's Day. And that's like the big hitter of May. And now we've gone a couple of weeks relaxing and we are into Memorial Day weekend. That is our next big sales point. And I want to know, Pickle Peep, do you have a plan for it? Are you pre-prepped for Memorial Day? And if not, I'm going to let you know if you are in a business that absolutely should be, or if you're in one that can kind of skate Memorial Day away. So, let's get into it. First off, my name is Melissa Pickle, and welcome to the Handmade How, home of the Pickle Peeps, where we focus in on tech tips and the how of marketing handmade products so you can get back to collecting on those profits. Yeah, we're still working on the tagline. But regardless, welcome, Pickle Peeps. So, Memorial Day is coming up. It is really the unofficial kickoff to summer. I know summer doesn't technically start until, June 20, 21, 22, 23, somewhere in that part. But at least in the eyes of the American public, summer starts with Memorial Day weekend. So it's something for us to be prepared about. Now, Memorial Day is fun. Well, not like the whole meaning, the real meaning of Memorial Day, not fun. Honoring those who we've lost in military engagements, but the other side of it, and depending on your audience, so we have the military side to Memorial Day, which is not a celebration. It is a weekend of commemorance and a weekend of remembering and honoring. So if you do military stuff, and I've made this mistake because I sell bullet jewelry, that I've done a big celebration Memorial Day, didn't quite land that well. So if you do anything with that, it's respect of military services, but it's not fun. We're not like, woo, yay, Memorial Day, happy Memorial Day. No. The genre, the subsect that is Happy Memorial Day is the outdoors section of our audiences. So if you have audiences that in any way, shape, or form are excited about barbecuing or grilling, pools, camping, then Memorial Day is golden for you. Everybody else in the world who's doing it, you can just run a general sale on Memorial Day. If your industry, if your audience, if your products serve anything to do with the outdoors, then Memorial Day is a golden opportunity because it is the beginning. Ask me how I know. I used to work at a campground. 5 years as the manager and social media officer of a high-end campground. Our RV spots were $100 a night. That's also because we're the closest campground in New York City, but I'm not going there. All right. So what is going on with Memorial Day? First off, if you are in the restaurant industry, Memorial Day weekend is not a really big one, okay? All of the trend reports, all of the consumer reports on that one, sales are kind of down. That's not a highlight day for you. Why? Because everyone's opened up their grills, and if they are traveling, they're usually traveling to a campground. They're either bringing out the RV, they're bringing out the tents, they're bringing out the campers, and they are ready to go turn on that grill and roast some marshmallows over the fire. That is the big deal. It is the pool kickoff. So a lot, especially I'm in the Northeast, once the unofficial, you open your pool weekend, it's Memorial Day weekend. If you're not traveling and you have a pool, you're opening the pool. That's what's going on. If you're not traveling and you don't have a pool, you might be opening up and really getting the friends together and having a good grilling session, having a good barbecue session, getting together, and you might still be doing a bonfire. I don't know. But point being, it's not a big go out to eat holiday. It's a lot more stay in. 4th of July is a mega bring friends to the house kind of one, and Memorial Day is kind of a more minor version of that. So what do we in retail do? What do we in handmade do? First off, like I said before, if your product has any kind of slant on it that has to do with outdoors, go gung ho. This is your season right now, is when everyone is looking for the stuff to spruce up their camper, the stuff to spruce up their RV, the stuff that they're taking with them to go tenting, to go hiking, to go camping. And it's like, oh, we used to sell so many of like the rainbow, this was the weekend that we sold all of the rainbow dust stuff that you threw into the fire and it made colors. And I always tell people, like, you do that after you have your s'mores. S'mores first, food first, then pretty colors in your fire. But we used to do that. So what do you have to do with outdoors? Instead, if you're outdoors, you can run the sales. Everyone's looking for you right now. They're paying attention. They are pre-framed to be paying attention to you if your products are outdoors. What do you do if your products are not outdoors? If your products are not outdoorsy, but your people are, like, I sell jewelry. And like I said, I do bullet jewelry. The Memorial Day slant didn't work that well, like going for the military. But if we run a general sale, if I do like love of being outside kind of theming in there, if I go for the hiking, if I go for the family shooting day, if I do any of that stuff, that's going to land much, much better. So, if your industry, if your products, if your customer likes the outdoors, you can always spin your products. You can run a sale that way. Now, consumers expect a sale on Memorial Day weekend. Whether it's the full weekend, whether it's just Memorial Day, though honestly, as I'm looking at all of the sales reports, transactional stuff, things are much higher when you look at full weekend versus full weekend or week of versus just the one day. I don't tend to like week-long sales because you lose urgency with it. People don't really pay attention, and then all of a sudden it's like it's over and they forgot. Versus if you have a 48 or a 72-hour sale, those I like because you can hit them heavily with enough emails, with enough social all together that it's harder to ignore, and there's more security. There's not, oh, I have until Friday and today is Monday. Made that mistake just recently. Or I have until Monday and today is Monday. We're running a full week. Better to run a condensed, maybe you launch it Friday or Saturday and you end it Monday or Tuesday. So run your sale like that. Now, what kind of sales can we do? You're like, Melissa, I hate sales. I don't blame you. Like discount sales. I love bringing in sales. I don't blame you if you're like, I am so tired of running discount sales and they're not working. There's a whole slew of other kind of promotions that you can do coming up to Memorial Day. You can do shipping offers. You can do free gift offers. You can do bonus things. So, like I said, if your customer has any kind of lifestyle that likes the outdoors or likes summer, said unofficial kickoff to summer, then you have opportunities if you want to put together like summer guides. I'm not going to say gift guide because our next gift guide challenge will be after Memorial Day. Our next gift guide challenge kicks off on June 1st, and that will be a full-on summer and 4th of July themed gift guide. Link down below if you're interested in signing up. It's only $7. So you could do summer prep. So whatever you make, there is some kind of lifestyle guide that goes with it. It could be style pairings with jewelry or accessories. It could be how to keep your things safe. It could be how to prevent sun damage. If you do anything in soaps and skincare, either how to store your soap in the heat is probably good, or like good skin rituals for like burning season. I am personally entering baked potato season. I don't like that part of the year. Yes. If you do anything to do with camping, there are so many. You could do preferred hiking trails. You can do like location hotspots. You can do, if you're in a local area, you can do like camping games. You could do, it'd be so cool if you do anything that's, this can go with for anyone, really, as long as you're on outdoors. But you could do a Mad Lib style guide of how to tell scary stories at the bonfire. Come on, that'd be a cool one. That would be a cool one. These are just random ideas on here. You could do pool tips. You could do how to make your pool look awesome. You could do things like just get creative and think outside your products. Don't think don't make your product the star of whatever you're doing if you're adding a digital asset into your promotion here. Instead of the star or the leading lady or the leading guy of whatever you're doing, make your products the best friend. Make your products the sidekick. If you've done gift guide, you know what I'm talking about there. And really treat to the lifestyle. So your products are just part of a lifestyle that your customer already has. And we just want to tap into that. We want to kind of tap our customer on the shoulder, ding, 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 and be like, look, I have this thing and it fits right with your lifestyle. It'll actually help you reach the best version of that lifestyle that you want. So if their best lifestyle is camping every weekend, what does your product do that supports being able to go camping every weekend? Is it like camping mementos? Is it outdoors? Is it photography on the wall that reminds them of when they can go camping every weekend? Is it like a map, or is it a trail book, or is it a journal or a checklist, or any kind of thing? You can make it all work as long as you know what your customer is into. So there we go. Memorial Day prep. And I highly recommend to you guys, this is going to be here faster than we think. Every holiday gets here faster than you think, including Christmas, including Black Friday. And somehow, like, they're always on the calendar, but somehow they still sneak up. Like, how does a solid date on a calendar still sneak up on you? I don't know, but it happens every year. So this is your official warning, your first official sirens going. If you don't have a Memorial Day plan, get one. If you do have your Memorial Day plan already set, yay, congratulations. Comment down below. I want to know what it is. Share with us your plans. I am putting mine together. Yeah. Whew. There's reasons to celebrate every day. And on that vein of like the holidays sneaking up, and especially when you look at, I'm talking about like lifestyles of your customer and their interests, it's like, well, what holidays do they actually care about? And you can look on your regular calendar, regular planner, and they have like the main holidays, the bank holidays, the days that your that schools and government shut down for the most part. But that doesn't really encompass like everything going on for your industry. So let me know if you guys would be interested in we'll call it a profits calendar here, or a sales calendar that highlighted out all of the holidays in the year that had to do with each individual lifestyle. I'm talking your nature and pets people. I'm talking about stuff for kids. I'm talking about foodie. Like these are all like the national day kind of things, along with the biggie holidays. So let me know if that is something that you guys would be interested in, because I've been working on a resource, but I don't know, it's a bonus right now to a lot of stuff that I sell, but I think it'd be really cool to have out on its own. But you let me know if you think that would be cool, if that's something you would be interested in, if that would help you out to be able to look and scan, not through things like nationaldays.com where you have pages and pages and pages and pages of national days and celebrations, that there's so much, you get analysis paralysis, you're like, I can't deal with this anymore. Instead, if you like it condensed down by lifestyle, by interest, which makes it so super easy to look at and plan and know your holidays for the year. And each time you have a holiday, you figure out what is the marketing plan that's going to go with it. Is it something that's, well, no, I have other stuff about that, so we'll get to that later on. That is it today, Pickle Peeps. You have your assignment. Let me know in the comments below if you have a Memorial Day plan, if you do, what it is, or if you're not celebrating Memorial Day, if you're not going to run anything for that one, let me know that too. But it's kind of nice to have May open with Mother's Day and all of those Cinco de Mayo, Star Wars and all that, and end with Memorial Day, because then after that, our next biggie is, we have Father's Day and we have Juneteenth. And we are in the midst of graduation season, depending on what you do, if you do stuff for graduation, I don't know. But that is it. If you enjoyed this video, if you liked this shout out warning about the upcoming holiday, if you want more of those, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm Melissa Pickle. Have a epic day to match your epic business. I'll see you on the next one.